Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.8 question number 4. Draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. Use squared paper if you wish. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of the octagon. What is the meaning of a regular octagon? Octagon has 8 sides and all the sides are equal. A regular means all the sides are equal and all the angles should be equal. Here you see that this side, all the sides are equal, this side, this side, this side, this side, this one, this one, this one, and this one. All the sides should be equal and all the angles should also be equal. This angle, 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 this angle. That means here in this figure all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal, right? Right? Now we'll name the various sides. That is, suppose this is A point, A, B, this is C, this is D, this is E, F, G, H. Right? Now the question is, use squared paper if you use. You can also use a squared paper. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of the octagon. You have to make it rectangle. Let us take these 4 vertices, that is H, G, D and C. If we join H to C and G to D, right? That means we are getting a rectangle, right? That is rectangle. This is a rectangle HCDG. H C D G. Okay, we got the rectangle. Now once again we are repeating. Draw a rough sketch of the regular octagon. This is a regular octagon. Here all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. That is why it is a regular octagon. And here you see, if we draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of the octagon, if we take H, C, D and G and join AC with GD, then we are getting a rectangle. A rectangle has opposite sides are equal and all the sides, all the angles are 90 degrees. That is a rectangle. Here is the rectangle HCDG.